to Naturetastic with Henry. Today we're at Titchmarsh Nature Reserve. Let's go and see what we can find. Titchmarsh Nature Reserve is by the side of the River Nene. Can you see all those fish swimming about in the river? Look at all those lily pads and weeds. There's thousands. Totally delicious. Here there is swans, coots and smaller birds, and this is all from the view of one of the hides. Isn't it awesome? Look at this male great-crested grebe. Isn't his feathers amazing? I think they're beautiful. Stunning. Not sure what this bug is, but we'll look it up when we get home. There's a swan right there. I don't want to get too close because it might get angry with me. The heron's facing away from us, facing the other side of the bank. It must be trying to catch a fish or a frog. He's finished fishing. Off he goes. Time for Heron fast facts. Fast facts, fast facts, fast facts. Timer, please. They can sometimes be seen in fields looking for rodents. Their wingspan is 6 feet. They weigh half as much as a grey-lag goose. They nest in trees more than 25 metres high. A group is called a siege of herons. We're heading to the hide that views across Heronry Lake. We've got to where the bird hide is, but someone's vandalismed it, which means we can't go in. People need to treat this area better. At Titchmarsh Nature Reserve, they use natural ways to cut the grass by using sheep. We're at the far side of the lake. Let's see what we can see. Here comes a Canada geese, a big family. Hey, wait a moment. Where are you going? I wonder what's made this little burrow. And you can see the path where it's been heading off to the lake. To sit here for a minute or two, see if we can see any sticklebacks or minnows. Last time as we were leaving, it was geese on the path. This time, it's a green woodpecker on the path, probably feeding from ants on the path. On this walk this evening, we've seen so many birds, seen lots of wildlife and beautiful landscapes. Thanks for watching Naturetastic, and bye.